What makes smooth muscle able to stretch significantly and still contract? Imagine a rubber band that can stretch for without snapping back or losing its ability to tighten. That's similar to how smooth muscle works in your body. It can stretch a lot and still contract effectively. So what makes this possible? Let's find out. First, smooth muscle cells are shaped like tiny spindles and are arranged in sheets or layers. And like skeletal muscle, they don't have the rigid, repeating units called sarcomeres. This loose arrangement allows the fibers to stretch more easily without breaking. The proteins that cause contraction, actin and myosin, are spread out more loosely, helping the muscle stay tight over a wide range of lengths. Next, smooth muscle contraction depends on calcium ions. These calcium ions can come from outside the cell or be stored inside the muscle's internal network called the sarcoplasmic reticulum. When calcium enters the cell, it binds to a protein called calmodulin. This activates an enzyme called myosin light chain kinase. The enzyme adds a phosphate group to myosin, which then interacts with actin to produce contraction. This process is different from skeletal muscle, which uses troponin to control contraction. Another key feature is stretch-activated ion channels. When smooth muscle is stretched, these channels open and allow calcium and other cations to flow into the cell. This triggers calcium releases from internal stores through special receptors called ryanodine receptors. This process, called stretch-induced calcium releases, helps the muscle respond directly to stretching by increasing calcium levels and starting contraction. It's like the muscle senses the stretch and reacts immediately. Smooth muscle also has a slower cycle of cross-bridge formation between actin and myosin. This slower activity means the muscle can maintain contraction for longer periods without using much energy. That's why smooth muscle is perfect for organs that need to stay contracted for a long time, like blood vessels or the digestive tract. Because smooth muscle can stretch so much and still contract, it's well suited for hollow organs and blood vessels that change shape or pressure often. Blood vessels stretch to accommodate blood flow, and smooth muscle helps control their diameter to keep blood pressure steady. The muscles in the digestive system stretch as food passes through and then contract to push the food along. In short, smooth muscle's ability to stretch and still contract comes from its flexible fiber arrangement, calcium-driven contraction process, stretch-sensitive ion channels, and slow energy-efficient cycle. These features let smooth muscle do its job in controlling the shape and function of many organs and blood vessels in your body.